Let's start by finely chopping garlic, ginger, onions, green chilies, French beans and carrots. Thinly slice 1 lotus stem. The written recipe with precise ingredients is available in the description below and at the end of the video. In a large mixing bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 tablespoons of refined flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 5 tablespoons of water. Mix to form a watery batter. Add in the sliced lotus stem and toss in the batter. Heat oil in a kadhai, checking with a wooden stick. Air bubbles will rise from the stick if the oil is ready. Dip and drain the lotus stem slices in the batter and fry till golden brown. Fry in batches and let them drain on a sieve to remove excess oil. Cooling on a sieve allows the lotus stems to cool evenly from all sides and keeps them crispy. In a dry pan, toast the sesame seeds till golden and set aside. In a small bowl, mix together half a tablespoon of white vinegar, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of tomato sauce, half a tablespoon of red chili sauce, half a tablespoon of green chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of honey. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add 1 tablespoon of garlic and cook till the garlic is golden in color. Add 1 chopped green chili, 2 tablespoons of chopped onions and 1 tablespoon of ginger. Cook till the onion becomes translucent. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped French beans and 1 tablespoon of chopped carrots. Saute the vegetables and add the sauce mix. Adjust consistency using 1/4 cup of water. In a separate bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of water and add it into the pan. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of salt. Add the fried lotus stem and half the toasted sesame seeds. Mix well and serve. Garnish with chopped spring onions and toasted sesame seeds. Let me know in the comments below if you tried this recipe and how it was. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. For more such recipes, subscribe to the channel.